Hi, everybody. Today I wanted to show you a neat trick, I think. I didn't know about it just until recently. And you know, how you can go to the maps and send an address so that the car can navigate to it when you get to the car. You could also do the same thing with YouTube videos, for example. So, say I want to play this in the car, all I have to do is click the share and then share it with the Tesla app. It's gonna do sending, right? Sending. And then it's gonna say it was shared, and then it's right there on the main screen. And you can click play, and that's it. So what do you think about this neat little trick? Do you know any other tricks besides the maps and YouTube? I bet you it works with other stuff too. But put in the comments, what do you think? Do you have any other shortcuts that I don't know about and you would like to share with other people? Don't forget to thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.